Face on Roblox. Recently, the face is created on 2024. Made in IBIS Paint. Put here show it. And I made it in IBIS Paint, but not let save later on Roblox. And one of Roblox is Go and trying to be so recently created at 6:73 on Black 2024, and I created it. I create a face, but don't use the face, and I'll say that to Roblox. Don't use a face, and you actually wear the space, and now it's up sale. Don't wear this face. One only wearing face, or I will upsell it. Okay, the end.